Hey everybody, welcome back to Damaged Darts. Today is part 1 of a 2-part series of converting a Nerf Rapidstrike into this, a Destiny New Monarchy Faction Auto Rifle. Hey, good morning guys. I'm talking a little quieter here. I'm out here earlier in the morning. I've got my AccuStrike here, taped, just some painter's tape and old newspaper, taped off all the areas I didn't want to paint. I'm going to hit it with some of this white primer right now to get it set up for the top coat on the shell that I want to do. So this is the next process, and then we'll show you guys later. I've got all the rest of the covered underneath the sheets here, so we're going to get that taken care of later today. So here goes. Alright, now I've got my Nerf Rapidstrike all taped up with the New Monarchy Faction and Destiny logo. I just had some parchment wax paper, and then I just put some painter's tape over the top, printed out the symbol I'd like, put it over there as a stencil, cut it out, peeled it away, and I got myself a blue masking tape symbol to mask off what I don't want the paint to be on. And I'm going to give it another top coat now. That should pretty much finish off the paint job. I'm going to do a little bit of sanding for a distressed look, and then probably top coat it with a flat clear enamel, possibly, to finish it off and seal it in. So here goes. Okay, we're back here. I'm doing another phase of the paint job on this Nerf Rapidstrike mod that I'm doing on here, and giving it a Destiny New Monarchy Faction paint job on it. I'm going to use a little bit of do some grunging and distressed effect. Let me grab the paint here. I'm going to use a little bit of an acrylic paint, a little bit of black, a little bit of brown, mix it together, and water it down, and then just brush it over this gun, especially the paint job area, primarily the paint job area. And then I'm going to wipe it down with a paper towel and just leave in all the nooks and crannies kind of grunge, so it'll give it that real battle-worn grunge look. Here goes. Okay, I'm going to start doing the grunge work now. I'm using some Art Studio acrylic. I don't know who it's made by, but I've got a little bit of I believe like an umber, burnt umber brown, a dark brown. I'll set it out here so you guys can see it. So I got the burnt umber, dark brown, and then just solid black. I'm going to mix a little bit of these two together, 50-50, just kind of get it a brownish black color for that grunge. I'll add a little bit of water to thin it out. I'm probably just going to use a little area of cardboard right here to do it. So I'm going to mix it up, smear it across this the gun, and then just wipe it down and leave some of the stuff on there, and show you guys how this process works. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed part 1 of the 2-part series in converting the Nerf Rapidstrike into the Destiny New Monarchy Faction Auto Rifle. Be sure and tune in next time for part 2 of this series. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please consider doing so by clicking on the icon here. Also click on the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Damaged Darts, signing off.